We are studying the isomerism in coordination compounds. So, what is isomerism? The isomerism is a Greek word, means iso means equal, meros means parts. Now, the compounds having same molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties on account of different structural or spatial arrangement of atoms or group of atoms is known as isomers, and this phenomena is known as isomerism. Students, in coordination compounds, isomerism is of two various types, so we categorize them. First, it is structural isomerism, and number second, stereoisomerism. Now, what is structural isomerism? Compounds having molecule formula same but different structural arrangement of atoms or group of atoms, that is known as structural isomerism. So structural isomerism जो है, it is of various types. Number one, ionization isomerism. Number second, hydrate isomerism. Number third, coordination isomerism. Number fourth, linkage. So first, ionization. Number second is hydrate isomerism or solvent isomerism. Number third is coordination isomerism. Number fourth is linkage isomerism. So first of all, we will study what is ionization isomerism. Now, in case of ionization isomerism, compounds are having same molecular formula. Compounds have same molecular formula but give different ions in the solution. यानी कंपाउंड्स जो हैं इनकी फॉर्मूला तो सेम है, लेकिन जब आप इनको सोल्यूशन बनाते हैं दे गिव डिफरेंट आयन्स इन द सोल्यूशन. दिस टाइप ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म, ये जो इस टाइप का आइसोमेरिज्म arises due to interchange of groups atoms or group of atoms within or outside the coordination entity. उसका मतलब मैं आपको समझा रहा हूं. यानी ये आइसोमेरिज्म, इसमें क्या होता है, किसी वक्त एक एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स वो जो दैट वो कोऑर्डिनेशन सेपेयर में होता है, दूसरे कंपाउंड में वही एटम और या वही ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स एज ए काउंटर आयन होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इसका मतलब हो गया ये उन्हीं कंपाउंड में होगा. दिस टाइप ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म occurs in those compounds where जो लिगेंड जो काउंटर आयन होगा that will be a potential ligand. So potential ligand जो है यानी काउंटर आयन वो भी एक ligand है, that has a tendency to donate the electron pair. So sometimes it remains in the coordination entity coordinated with the central atom, and in the another compound it remains as a counter ion. So that is why these compounds are having same molecular formula. I will explain it. For example, there is a compound, I will write CONH3 whole 6 BrSO4. This is the molecular formula of compound. Now I will write it as first isomer. It is CONH3 whole 6. COBrNH3 whole 6. Now this is SO4 as a counter ion. Now I will write its name. It is hexaamine cobalt hexaamine bromido cobalt third sulfate. Keep it in mind. Hexaamine bromido cobalt third sulfate. Now sulfate here is a counter ion. That means this compound, I will write here, this here it is 5 and pentamine. It is pent, not hexa, because it is pentamine bromido cobalt third sulfate. Now this compound, it is violet, red violet in color. So if we add this sulfate ion, it is outside the coordinate separate, it is counter ion. Now if we add barium chloride to it, sulfate ion will ionize. It will ionize in the solution, and it will give sulfate ions. Sulfate ions will ionize. That means sulfate ions are outside the coordination separate, they are as counter ions. Now if we add BaCl2 to this compound, it will give barium sulfate as a precipitate, because sulfate ion precipitate. Sulfate ion reacts with the barium chloride and gives barium sulfate. So this is one of its isomer. Now I will write this compound in another way. That is CO SO4 NH3 whole 5. Now I have written here Br as a counter ion. So this, it is pentamine sulfato cobalt third bromide. So when this compound it ionizes, it will give bromide ions. Bromide ions are given. Yeah, bromide ions ionize. So when we will react it with, if we react it silver nitrate, it gives with silver nitrate, it gives silver bromide. That means bromide ion react. So this is these two are isomers. This is red violet, and whereas this is red in color. So these are two isomers, because there occurs interchange. Here sulfate is counter ion in first isomer, and in second sulfate remains in the coordination sphere, whereas bromide gets interchanged as a counter ion. So this type of isomerism is known as ionization isomerism. Now second isomerism, that we called hydrate isomerism. It is also called solvate isomerism. कंपाउंड्स, इसमें कंपाउंड्स जो होते हैं have same molecular formula. Again they have same molecular formula, but what happens, they differ in the number of solvent molecules. Keep it in mind, differ in number of solvent molecules in the coordination sphere and outside the coordination sphere. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस कंपाउंड में अगर आपका सॉल्वेंट है, इफ द सॉल्वेंट इज वाटर, अगर आपका सॉल्वेंट वाटर है, सो कंपाउंड डिफर्स इन द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. कंपाउंड डिफर इन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. कहीं पर एक आइसोमर आप एक में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स डिफर होते हैं इन द कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर or as counter ion. For example, I will write Cr Cl3 6 times H2O. This is the compound. So when we say this compound CrCl3 6 times H2, there are 6 times water molecules. I will write first isomer. It is Cr H2O whole 6 Cl3. Now again, here 6 water molecules are as ligands. It is hexaequo, chromium, थर्ड क्लोराइड. अब देखिए यहां पर जो दूसरा इसका आइसोमर जो आएगा, ये जो पहला आइसोमर है, इट इज वायलेट. इट डज नॉट लूज वाटर. दिस कंपाउंड विल नॉट लूज वाटर. इस कंपाउंड में वाटर not lose hoga. It will not lose water because they are present in the coordination sphere. Now second isomer I will write, it is Cr H2O. Cr Cl, here Cl H2O. अब मैं एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बाहर निकालता हूं. Here Cl2, यहां से एक क्लोरीन एटम मैंने अंदर ले लिया, एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बाहर लिया, दिस वन. सो दिस कंपाउंड इज ब्लू ग्रीन. अगर हम इसको वाटर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे, इट विल लूज water molecule, one water molecule it will lose, and chloride as a counter it will lose chloride ion. So this is another compound. This is the isomer of this. Now I will write another. If I will write Cr, अब मैंने यहां वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स कम किए, मैंने 4 लिख लिया, लेकिन यहां पर Cl2 मैंने अंदर रख दिए, बाहर काउंटर आयन में एक Cl और ट्वाइस वाटर. इट विल लूज 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर एज वाटर. जो इसमें जब हम रिएक्ट करेंगे इसको सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ, इट विल लूज 2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो दिस इज डार्क ग्रीन. That means this isomer differs in the number of water molecules in and outside within the coordination sphere and outside as counter ions. यहाँ पर आपका क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, सो 3 क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं, क्लोरीन यहाँ पर Cl3 है एज काउंटर आयन, यहाँ पर 6 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स है एज लिगेंड्स. लेकिन दूसरे आइसोमर में 5 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर आर एज लिगेंड्स एंड 1 इज आउटसाइड, एंड यहाँ से क्लोरीन एक अंदर आ गया तो इसका आइसोमर बन गया. अब तीसरे में 4 water molecules as ligand or 2 water molecules are outside the coordination sphere. So this is known as hydrate or solvate isomerism. Thank you.